Slide's non-electrical designed Simlead drawer system combines push-open and soft-close functions. Both functional and aesthetic, inside and out, with 3 innovative designs. When hands are full and unable to open the drawer, everactive Push Open solves your problem. Everactive Push Open allows multiple ways to open drawers with gentle ejection force and safety considerations. Press any point to open. With a touch, it will gently stop. Push it again to open fully, hands-free. Opened halfway, soft close will not rebound. Switchable push-open design and the push-open function can be changed according to requirements. Push-open adjustment device under the drawer. In standard mode, push open and soft close. Turn device inward to turn off push open function and retain soft close. Is suitable for all needs across multiple environments, creating a world-class, convenient and safe home. Slide.